At the Dayton Train Show last fall, I was able to find a few good deals. A major factor of a good deal for me is price, of course, but if I can get something cheap and make a video with it, even better. This Lionel Alcos set meets both of those qualifications. This is the powered A unit, which is in much rougher shape than the dummy unit I just showed. The dummy unit will look really good after a simple cleaning, but this motorized piece has had a much harder life. The roof is coated in something that may or may not wash off. It might even need a new coat of satin black paint, but it has bigger problems than the roof. A large piece of plastic is missing from the rear. The shell cannot even be attached to the frame right now. And what I thought was an aftermarket reversing board turned out to be the original. It's just not attached anymore, which is related to the missing lower part that's supposed to be underneath the frame between the two wheel assemblies. So here's the good part. I'd guess this pair has been to a few other train shows before ending up in Dayton. These were in a box when I found them, and I ended up paying $35 for the two of them together. Not bad. The rotary tool does a nice job of removing most of the broken area. A knife will help me square up the corners, and a nail file board will do the rest. This is a pretty decent fit, but I couldn't completely clean the door frame because a previous repair attempt had been made with gel superglue. I'm not going to worry about a window or any door hardware. Once it's painted silver, I think it will be fine. I know I have to respray the rear with some silver paint where I did the door repair, but I'm wondering if I can make the roof look decent with a good cleaning. The red nose and the sides look great, but the black roof simply cannot be brought back. While I'm with it at the sink, I'll do a little wet sanding to prepare it for a new coat of satin black. A little bit of sheet plastic can go a long way. Most Lionel Alcos have a center tank between the wheel assemblies. Mine was missing, so instead of buying one, I'll make a new one. A long screw will come up through the bottom of this new plastic piece and eventually serve as a mounting point for that loose electronics board inside the shell.